Most of us denture wearers have a lot of supplies for cleaning and storing our dentures. But what do you do if you're in a situation where you don't have your regular supplies? Recently, I went to the hospital to get some tests done, and I ended up being admitted for several days. I'm on the mend now. I'm happy to say I'm doing so much better. But I wanted to talk a little bit about this experience of being in a situation where I didn't have my usual denture supplies. I didn't have anything to clean my dentures with or a container to store them in. The only thing I had with me was a tiny tube of adhesive that I carry in my purse. So, what do you do in a situation like that? I have a couple of pointers. The hospital gave me a toothbrush and toothpaste, which is great, but not for dentures. Resist the urge to use regular toothpaste on your dentures. The abrasives can cause micro scratches. However, the toothpaste and toothbrush I was given were great for cleaning the insides of my mouth, my gums, my tongue, the inside of my cheeks with my dentures removed. So what I ended up deciding in my case is that the best place to store my dentures was in my mouth. Normally I take my dentures out at night, but while I was in this situation with limited denture care resources, I pulled them out. I cleaned them using soap from the soap dispenser, rinsed my mouth, wiped out any lingering adhesive with the dry paper towel, and then using just this tiny tube of adhesive I had in my purse, put adhesive on the tops and bottoms, put them back in my mouth, and I slept with my dentures. So I'm going to wash them. I'm going to use the soap I have. If you are in a situation where you do not have a container to put your dentures in, and it could be like me, a few days in the hospital, might be a camping trip, might be an unexpected overnight stay at a new friend's house, or maybe you just go out to eat and your bottom denture's bothering you, so you take it out. Don't wrap your dentures in a Kleenex or a paper towel and let them out of your possession. This looks so much like trash to someone who doesn't realize your very expensive dentures are in here. You might be at the hospital, have them sitting like this on that little table next to your bed. You go out for a procedure and somebody comes in to clean the room and they think this is trash. Especially if you're only working with your bottom denture. You wrap this thing in a napkin or a paper towel. This looks so much like a wad of trash. Somebody could easily throw this away. You're better off, if you have no secure place to put them, just put them back in your mouth. Even if you go more than a day and a night wearing your dentures, it's not recommended. It's good to give your gums a break, but every now and then it won't cause a problem. And it's the safest way to avoid losing your dentures. If you carry a purse, computer case, satchel, briefcase, put your dentures in there, or put them in your pocket, or ladies, tuck them in the little storage we all tend to carry around with us if you have to. Just don't leave this unattended because it looks like trash. It happens. Someone might take their bottom denture out at a restaurant, wrap it in a napkin, set it on the table, walk away, forget it, and by the time they remember, It's already buried with lots of other trash out in the dumpster, or worse, in a commercial trash compactor. So if you wrap your dentures, don't let go of them. If you're out camping, don't remove your denture and set it on top of your vehicle or on the bumper of a vehicle, because again, it's easy to get distracted and walk away and leave it. The best place to keep your dentures if you find yourself away from home is in your mouth. If you don't have your cleaning supplies, use whatever soap is available as long as it's non-abrasive. You might have to get a little creative if you're out of your normal space where you have your denture supplies, and that's okay. It was a challenge not having my regular supplies that first day or two in the hospital. After that, family members were able to bring me a few things to use. So I had my regular container. My regular container is a food storage container because I like the screw top lid. It doesn't look like a denture container, but it's obvious that it's something that's not trash. With a denture inside it, it's pretty obvious that it's something important. A day or two won't cause any harm in the long run, and it could keep your dentures from accidentally being lost. I hope these tips help. I hope your denture journey is going well, and I hope we talk again soon.